Welcome to
Fan D.
First, we need to assemble the bulldozer. Don't stop. Yay! Now we need to fill it. Bulldozer. Yay! We did it! We will prepare the site and dig a pit. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Bulldozer. Yay! Yay! Amazing! You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Dumper. That's all. Help the car make its way. Tap on all the objects to clear the way. Yay! Drag the part to its place. Keep it up. Make a gravel pad and waterproofing. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Dumper. Yay! You're doing really great.